Hey everyone, so happy Self Love Sunday. If any of you are like me, we can beat ourselves up when something doesn't go as planned or how we thought it should go, or maybe it just kind of was unsatisfactory. And that can create the disharmony in our hearts, in our minds, and then we beat ourselves up or we doubt our capabilities. And I just want to say that we this will never end. We will always go through these moments of dissatisfaction, of disappointment. It's kind of a peak and valley sort of situation. When you are in that type of energy of being disappointed, of uncertainty, know that this is a moment in time where you can can kind of course correct, when you can get back into alignment where you want to go. This is where this is your greatest moment of expansion and growth, is when you are facing these type of chaotic or disappointing situations, this doubt within yourself. So what we want to do when we experience this is we want to go in and do some self-reflection. Beating yourself up will not assist with the situation. I know this firsthand. So to help calm that heart, to help create that harmony within you, go within and do that self-reflection. Maybe journal your thoughts or emotions so you can understand them, so you understand what is happening in the heart and mind. But basically, this is a disconnect between the heart and mind, and there might be sadness, loss, disappointment, whatever it is. So to help with that, to move that along so you can expand and grow from the situation, go within, meditate, listen to what your body needs, listen to what it is that your higher consciousness is telling you, so that you can take the next step forward and in confidence. And I know sometimes we make these decisions or do something that maybe we weren't ready for, or maybe we didn't listen to our higher consciousness about it, and we just kind of jumped in and just kind of had this automatic response or reaction to it, instead of feeling into it and listening to ourselves to understand if this was the right course of action for us. But that's okay, because we can always correct that. We can always move forward in confidence by listening to ourselves a little bit more deeply. So I hope this helped you, and happy Self-Love Sunday. See you next time.